Welcome to Lemonberry Learning. Hey there, Lemonberry learners. Are you ready to learn about farm animals? Chicken. Do you know what sound a chicken makes? You guessed right. Great job. Cow. Do you know what sound a cow makes? You guessed right. Great job. Dog. Do you know what sound a dog makes? You guessed right. Great job. Donkey. Do you know what sound a donkey makes? You guessed right. Great job. Duck. Do you know what sound a duck makes? You guessed right. Great job. Goat. Do you know what sound a goat makes? You guessed right. Great job. Goose. Do you know what sound a goose makes? You guessed right. Great job. Horse. Do you know what sound a horse makes? You guessed right. Great job. Pig. Do you know what sound a pig makes? You guessed right. Great job. Rooster. Do you know what sound a rooster makes? You guessed right. Great job. Sheep. Do you know what sound a sheep makes? You guessed right. Great job. Turkey. Do you know what sound a turkey makes? You guessed right. Great job. Thank you for learning with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page so we can all learn and grow together. See you soon!